Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. Today is part 5 of journaling for beginners. In last 4 parts we have discovered many things about journaling, types of journaling, myths about journaling, and today I bring a new topic for you. So let's find out what is the topic of the day. What we are learning is future self journaling. So what we'll cover in today's session about what is future self journaling, then why we should do future self journaling, how to start, how to write step by step guides, prompts, tips for you to make it effective. So let's begin with what is future self journaling. So the first things comes is future self is writing as if you are your future self. Means 2025 is going on and I want to think about like after 5 years. So how I am after 5 years. Think in that way. Okay, I have a certain kind of a followers. If I have a certain kinds of a courses published, I already published my book. I already giving workshops on different place. It can be offline or online. What I am after 5 years. So this is my future self. And then a visualization techniques that help align action with goals. A future self is okay, after 5 years what I am looking like this. After 5 years what is my skills are. So we are visualizing in that way, and after that we'll feel okay, this is the skills that I am having after 5 years, how I am after 5 years, what are my goals, what are my skills that I need, and I visualize in that, so that what actions do I need to take today so that I can achieve whatever I am thinking after 5 years. The third one is shift mindset from limitation to possibilities. If we are writing future self journaling, it will help to shift our mindset in the sense of we are thinking that we are not able to do this right now, but after 5 years think in that way. Are you able to do that what you want to do after 5 years? For example, I want to have a big house or I want to purchase a big house. Think in that way, I already have the big house. Now you are visualizing this and now you're thinking it can be possible. Now what steps you have to take, what actions you have to take, then you can think in that way, from limiting to possibilities. Now what's come next? Why is future self journaling is so powerful? Let's find out. The first is increase clarity on goals and dreams. If you know what you want to be after a certain duration, what you want to have after certain duration, the clarity will goes high related to your dreams, related to your goals, related to your vision, related to your mission, your desires, because now you know, okay, this is the thing I want. Give them a more detailed structure to it. This is the house I want. Okay, so house for how many rooms? Is this kind of apartment or individual one? How was the lawn, was how big the room, what kind of a curtain, all those things. Then you are having a more clarity related to your goals and dreams. The second one is strength belief in personal growth. When you are writing about your future goal, it will give you the strength in yourself, believe in yourself that yes, I am capable to do that, because I am visualizing that. I am already thinking that okay, this is already I achieved. So I have the power, I have the capability, I have the strength. Third one helps break negative thought and patterns. When you are writing about your future self, when you are reading again and again that yes, I am this, I already achieved this, this is the thing that I earn, this is the thing that I own, then you are, the negative belief that you have is already keeps on going decrease and decrease, keeps on going blur. The fourth one, align daily actions with long-term aspirations. Every day, what all actions you need to take, it should be aligned with your goal, it should be aligned with your dreams, with the long-term aspiration. Means if you want to buy a house, for that you need a money, how you earn that money? Or if you have already a land, how you are going to build that house? Think in that way. If you want to run a business, what kind of a skills do you have? What kinds of a skills do the 5 year of you have? Skills, personality, aura, work in that way from today, so that After 5 years, you already have that. The fifth one is boost confidence and motivation. Yes, once you have the strength, all your negativity will goes, keep on decreasing, your strength will increase, your confidence will increase, you are feeling motivated because you know that this is the picture of me after 5 years. This is what I am right now. It gives you high energy motivation. Now comes the important part, how we can do that. So let's find out how we can write future self journal. The first is imagine your future self. Where do you see yourself after 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, whatever you want to write? So imagine in that way and then write in that way. After 1 year, I'll be at this position. After 3 years, I'll be at this position. And after 5 years, I'll be at this position. So think in that way, and then you should write about whatever in terms of personality, in terms of skills, in terms of surroundings, in terms of your own thinking, your own belief system. Second, write in present tense. It is very, very important and mandatory. Whatever you write in the present sense, that you already have that. Feel that you already have all those things with you. Like, I am confident, healthy, and successful. I'm running a business. Though you are thinking that you will run a business after 5 years, but think, I am running a business of this, having this kind of employees, or whatever you want to add in this statement. Number 3, describe daily life. What do you do? How do you feel? Now you are having a future self of you describing what do you do? What do you do right now to achieve that kind of a dream? How do you feel once you achieve that? How do you feel if you have whatever dreams you have? Once you achieve that, how do you feel? Like, for example, for a business, if you're running a good business, how you are feeling right now? Think and then write. What are you doing? I'm running a business. What are your roles and responsibilities? Think and then write. So again, now you are going deep in the process, deep in your work, that okay, I am not only visualizing about my future self, but also I am thinking that okay, this is my work, this is how I am doing all the things that I am visualizing and I am doing right now. So present tense is very important. Focus on emotion and actions, not just achievement, but also mindset and habits. You have to be mindful about your emotions, your actions. The more focus you put on emotions, the easy you attract the things, because in visualization emotions are very important, because it increase the vibration. Your vibration change when you are saying something positive, your vibration change when you say something negative. So always be mindful about what you are saying, what you are feeling, what your emotions, what your actions, and it is not dependent upon the achievement, but it's also that what kind of a thing that you are running in your mind, mindset, habits, visuals that you are saying. It's a mental diet. So all these are important for visualization, all these are important for future self journaling. Then the fifth part is end with gratitude. Always end your journal with the gratitude note. Thank you future self for guiding you. You are thinking, your future self is telling, okay, this is the skill that you need, this is the thing that you need. Always be grateful to your future self. So here we cover the 3 important parts. What is future self journaling, why we should do, how we should do. If you find this video important, if you find this video useful, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, because it will also help me to grow, help me to find out that what are the things that I am telling you, are it fruitful for you or not, are you are able to apply it or not. So let me understand in the comment section. And also, if you want more about journaling, you will get the videos instantly whenever I post them. So that is why hit the bell icon. Now, fourth part, future self journaling prompt. Now you are thinking that okay, Richa, you will tell me each and everything, but I don't know how I can write that. So here is the prompts. What does my ideal look like? It can be of after 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 6 months, after 1 week, depending upon you, how you are looking yourself after a certain duration. So you can write, what does my ideal look like? Ideal day, ideal personality, ideal atmosphere. So my ideal day. Second one, what habit does my future self have? Because every time you are thinking about your future self, there is something change in yourself, and it should be to to make you grow, to make you evolve, you should introduce new things in your life which are helpful for you, and you should discard few things from your life that is not helpful for you. So always think about what habits works for me. Number 3, what challenges have I overthink in that way? Like currently I am in this position, and I after 5 years I'm in this position. So here and here, what challenges have I overcome? After writing this, you will find out that okay, there are many things that I am feeling that I am not capable enough to do, but I already did. And yes, you already did. If you compare yourself, you compare your present from the past, you already achieved so many things. So think in that. The 4th one, how do I feel in my future life? Feeling, most important. You are feeling abundant, you are feeling happy, you are feeling powerful, you are feeling strength. What all the feelings do you have in your future? 5th one, which is one step I can take today to move closer to my future self? Okay, this is my future self and this is me. How I can match, how I can take one step at a time. So my future self this, and I am this, one step, one step, one step, one step, one step. And so this is why I think it is important to take decision and find out what all the daily actions that you can take on a daily basis towards your goal. It can be anything related to your relationship, health, wealth, travel, gratitude, spirituality. It can be anything related to yourself. Yes. And the last part is tips for making it effective. 4 tips, very easy, very simple. Write daily or at least 3 times a week. The more you write about your future, the more you will write about your detailed structure, about your futures, about your future work, your skill. You will get the information and then you are able to act. So write at least 3 times, or if you can write daily, it is super. Be detailed. Describe sights, sounds, feeling. Yes, I already told you, the more knowledge, the more information that you write about, okay, I am having this kind of a house in future. How it is look like? Where is the location? What is the location? What kind of a curtains? What kind of a furniture? What kind of a room wall color? All the accessories, each and everything. The more you think, the more easily you can attract, because now you have the clarity related to your mind. This is the thing I want exactly. So you can add sounds, you can add sights, you can add feelings. The 3rd one is speak your journal entries loud for deeper impact. Every time when you are writing something and once you finish it, read it loud. The reason why you read it loud and listen to it, because when you are reading and you are listening, you are feeling that someone is listening to you, and then it also helps your mind to attract those things, because you are sending signal to your mind, this is what I want and this is how you act, this is the actions that you should take. So that is why you should speak loud. And the 4th and the last point is revisit old entries to see progress and realign your goals. Very important. If you are writing any sort of journal, a future self journal, and you are writing many things, go to back entries, back old journal entries, and find out that what you wrote earlier and where are you right now. It is important so that you can reflect on that. Okay, I start from this place and I reach this place. Am I on the right track, or should I change something? Am I getting the result that I want to have, or it is little bit distracted? So it will help you to be on a right track. It will help you to see your progress and realign your goals. So today we cover future self journaling. I hope it will give you some sort of information. Think what is your goal, what kind of a future that you want after 3 years, after 5 years, and write it down. The more you write, the more you attract all those things in your life. If you are adding details, if you are adding emotions, feel abundant and attract abundance in your life. If you want to know more about journaling, join me. You can type in the comment section and I'll share the link with you. Join my bronze membership, in which we are having every time a different themes, so that every time we connect once in a week, work on a prompts and get in a mode of self discovery related to our work. See you again. Take care.